Hey, how's it going? My name's Corey Norris, and I just want to congratulate you on making it this far and wanting to take the opportunity to learn how you can make $300 a day on autopilot with our six-figure strategy through attraction marketing. This is a online course through the e-learning space, and what it teaches you is attraction marketing, so that way you can learn how to attract leads to your opportunity and your business without having to go beat up friends and family and ask everybody to join your opportunity or look at your business. It's been put together by a multiple six-figure earner. She's took all her knowledge and skills and put it into a whole full course, so that way you too can learn the skills of attraction marketing. This is a great opportunity if you're a newbie, if you already have skills in marketing, and if you're new to online marketing and learning how to build an online business. It really takes you by the hand, and the simple to learn and understand step-by-step training is very powerful. I went through the system, I've learned the system, I've took my time to actually absorb what the training was, because I want to be able to refer a product that is good and a product that I use myself to learn how to build a online business. Now this is for you if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused, college dropout. I'm a high school dropout. Never made it to college. I dropped out of high school. My mom came down with diabetes. I went and started straight into the work field so that I can help her provide for my little brothers and sisters. So I've been working since a 9 to 5 since I was the age of 9, and I'm gonna keep going because I want to make this video short for you. I want you to be able to check out all the content and everything that's going on within the website. But if you're looking for a way to earn extra cash, if you're tired of the job, tired of being on that 9 to 5, you want to learn how to break that grind and make your own online business, this is a perfect place for you. And with the step-by-step training, you can see great success with this if you follow it to the T. Just want to take you over to some members. These are some quick members testimonies so that you can see other people are having success with this system as of August 21st, and it is August 29th. So this is still fresh and it's still going. James Fambo welcomes Nick Rez to the group, along with having access to the digital product step-by-step blueprint and resources. He can now also earn unlimited payments of 50, 150, 300, sharing this awesome community and online system with others. This is the direct sales member to members program. You get paid directly to you, however you would like to be paid, whether it's Zelle, Cash App, or Bitcoin, however you see fit. You can get paid member to member. This is James showing that he made another profit of $300 using the step-by-step training in the membership program. Nicole Welchers, gotta love this when you're lying in bed and make your groceries pickup order for the morning and you get paid. This Khalees Grams signed up Danielle at the 300 Pro level. Uh, Jennifer got signed up at the 150 Elite, and the list goes on and on, guys. As you can see, there's so many people having good success with this opportunity. Peter Barron says, boom, that's another 600 payment with the simple program. Gotta love it. So what you'll get when you sign up with this program, you'll get your own branded website, which will look exactly like this one here. They're gonna brand it to you. They're gonna send in all the information, and it goes through the details on how to get started step by step. This would be the digital products that you would um, sell to be able to make those unlimited um, cash payments. So if you want to get started, you'll join one of the levels. Excuse me, like I said, I'm an at-home dad. My baby in the background, she's having a little fit, but I'm gonna keep going with this. If you want to get started, you come here, watch the welcome page, where the owner of this, Adriana, is gonna welcome you into the group. You want to start with the coaching group, contact the proof group, and go through this whole list here to get started. It's an awesome opportunity, and I'll be happy to see you guys start with this opportunity. And if you stay to the end, I do have an action taker bonus for you. If you start at the higher packet, the 300 packet, I'm going to send 100 clicks to your opportunity, so that way you can get started ASAP and running off the ground. I do thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Go ahead, if you want to get started with the Infinity Processing System, click the button below, pick one of your product packages, contact me through Facebook. On the web page it has a contact, so you can contact me through Facebook, put in Messenger, 100 clicks, so that I know that you paid through the program, and I'll get you started and on your way again to your success. Thank you for watching this quick little introductory video. My name is Corey Norris, and I'll see you on the inside.